You know why, mister? Because you drove a Hyundai to get here tonight. I drove an $80,000 BMW. That's my name.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be looking at real estate for beginners. Real estate accounts for 60% of all conventional assets in the globe, as well as a major amount of all national, corporate, and personal wealth. With that in mind, real estate investing is certainly an asset class worth considering for any individual or organization seeking a place to put some of their money. However, before you can make an informed decision about whether or not to invest in real estate and which of the many different types of real estate could be the best fit for you, you must first grasp the fundamentals of real estate investing. What exactly is real estate? Many people think of land, homes, or other forms of buildings and structures when they hear the term real estate. Those are elements of real estate, but they aren't an exhaustive list. The Industry Manual for Real Estate Appraisers, the Uniform Standards of Professional Appraisals Practice, USPAP, defines real estate as follows: a parcel or tract of land that has been designated, including any improvements. That mention of improvements is crucial to your knowledge of real estate because it emphasizes that real estate encompasses anything fixed or permanently tied to the land, a much broader category than most people assume. A home, store, office building, or other sort of construction building on the land is considered an improvement in the real estate context. However, it can also refer to anything else permanently attached to the land, such as fences, roads, streams, trees, and even the land's utility infrastructure. Finally, real estate might include a variety of rights that come with a piece of land, such as air rights, water rights, and mineral rights to any natural resources found underneath the earth. This is why the USPAP provides a definition for real property in its guidebook. Despite the fact that the terms are frequently interchanged, the interests, benefit, and rights inherent in the ownership of real estate, according to the USPAP. The idea of real estate investing is to put your money to work today so that you can have more money later. Your investment profit or return must be sufficient to cover the risk you assume and the taxes you pay. Other expenses associated with real estate ownership include utilities, upkeep, and insurance. When you grasp the fundamentals of real estate investing, such as economics and risk, it may be pretty straightforward. You buy properties, avoid going bankrupt, and make money by renting them out, all in order to buy additional properties. Keep in mind, however, that simple does not imply easy. If you make a mistake, the ramifications can range from little annoyances to enormous catastrophes. And why should you put your money into real estate? Historically, one of the most reliable ways to become wealthy has been through real estate. For a variety of reasons, many of today's millionaires believe it is still a wise investment. For one thing, real estate investing allows you to diversify your portfolio. For a reason, don't put all your eggs in one basket is sound advice. The economy has a lot of moving elements, and there's always the risk that one of them will fall while the others thrive. Having exposure to a variety of marketplaces can help protect you from danger. Second, real estate provides you with the ownership of a tangible thing that you can value. It's all pretty abstract. Even though I enjoy logging into my account and seeing my stock values rise, there's something to be said for having a tangible investment that you can see, visit, and improve. People will always need a place to live, thus real estate tends to preserve its value as long as it is well maintained and in a desirable location. When you own real estate, you also have a lot of flexibility. You have the option of renting out your home, selling it, subdividing it, rezoning it for a different use, and so on. You'll be able to adapt to economic developments in a way that keeps your investment useful. Having said that, there is a strong cautionary note here. Real estate may be a significant and expensive investment, and it's never a sure thing, as the housing market meltdown of 2008 demonstrated. It's best to start with caution, especially when it comes to real estate investment for beginners. You don't want to overextend your money before you're ready, resulting in debt that you can't pay back. 4 ways to profit from real estate investing. When it comes to real estate, there are 4 basic ways to profit. Number 1, appreciation in real estate. When a property's value rises as a result of change in the real estate market, this is what happens. For example, the land surrounding your home may become scarcer or busier. For example, if a major shopping center were to be built nearby, perhaps you improve the house to make it more appealing to potential buyers. Real estate appreciation is a challenging game to play since it is difficult to anticipate. It is riskier than investing for the purpose of generating cash flow. Number 2, cash flow profits. This category focuses on purchasing and operating real estate properties, such as apartment buildings. After that, you'll have a steady stream of revenue from the tenant's rent. Apart from apartment complexes, other types of real estate that provide cash flow include storage units, office or retail buildings, and rental homes. Number 3. Income from real estate. This type of income is widespread among real estate professionals, such as brokers. They may profit from commissions on properties that they have assisted a customer in purchasing or selling, in exchange for administering the day-to-day operations. Real estate management businesses are sometimes given a share of the rent. As an example, a hotel management company may keep 15% of a hotel's sales to handle day-to-day operations. They might hire cleaners, front desk workers, lawn mowers, and towel washers. Number 4. Real estate investment income from ancillary sources. This can be a big source of income for individuals. Vending machines in office buildings and laundry rooms and rental flats are examples of ancillary real estate investment income. In fact, this entails the incorporation of small firms into a larger real estate transaction. They allow you to profit from a semi-captive customer base. Tips for making your first real estate investment. You can purchase your real estate investment in a variety of ways. You can utilize debt to purchase a home by taking out a mortgage on it. Many real estate investors are drawn to leverage because it allows them to purchase properties that they otherwise would not be able to afford. Purchasing real estate with leverage can be risky. If you aren't careful, the interest expense and regular mortgage payments could lead to bankruptcy in a sinking market. Consider holding the real estate investment through certain forms of legal companies rather than your own name to manage risk and protect yourself. Limited liability firms and limited partnerships are examples of these. To determine which technique is best for you, you should speak with an attorney. These legal bodies can protect your personal assets if the investment falls, or if someone slips and falls, leading in a lawsuit that implies the worst thing that might happen is that you lose all your money. You'll have peace of mind knowing that your retirement funds and other assets are safe from prying eyes. So what are the benefits and drawbacks of real estate investing? Pros. Compared to the stock market, there is less danger and volatility. It's possible that it'll be a good source of cash flow. There are numerous tax benefits. Long-term investment properties provide a good return. The cons. There isn't as much room for aggressive returns. It's possible that it'll cost a lot of money. Liquidity issues. It can be challenging to deal with renters and building difficulties. Let's take a closer look at the aforementioned arguments rather than just reiterating them. The benefits of investing in real estate. 1. Lower risk than the stock market. The housing market does not experience the same level of volatility as the stock market. You won't have the same earning potential, but you can usually bet on a consistent upward trend. 2. Stable cash flow. When you have a sufficient number of rental properties, you can count on a continuous revenue source for your company. 3. Favorable tax advantages. You can deduct a wide range of expenses from your taxes. Mortgage interest, depreciation, property tax, and other expenses are among them. 4. Long-term returns are frequently positive. Most properties will appreciate in value over time. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.